So how to fix Instagram couldn't change the photo. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't change the photo easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone. If you have Android or even the iOS, this trick is gonna be working for you. Just go to the apps manager on your phone and then go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it like this. After that, all what you have to do now is just open the permissions page right here and make sure to enable the storage and the camera permission. Go back and now click on this power usage details. Make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled and then go back again. Now the last thing you have to do is click on force stop and go to the storage. This is an optional step. Click on clear data, and this step is very important. If it doesn't work for you, then the clear data option is gonna be helping you a lot. So yeah, after that all what you have to do is restart your phone, and congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe.